I've seen it on before. So we're shooting in 4K, 30 frames a second, wide, and we're going to try the gimbal out. So this is the GoPro Hero 6 attached to the Karma grip. We'll try a bit of running, see how we get on. So I don't know if it's smooth or not. There we go. That's with the Karma grip. So now we're going to try it with the stabilisation, which is built into the camera, merely just using my hand as a stabiliser. So that's using the stabiliser built in. And now we're shooting all the same settings with no stabilisation whatsoever. So we'll see how good it is in comparison. Here we go. So that's with no stabilisation at all.